only you. I hypnotized, you got me mesmerized with the thought of you.
Oh wow, this was a long video. Battery is about to die. First of all, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Happy New Year. So this is my interpretation of a New Year's Eve party extravaganza. I kind of now I finished it. I love the look. I do love the look. I love the dose of colours twist I used on it. My hair is not how I wanted it to be, but I'm not willing to wash my hair just yet until it's nearly New Year's Eve, and this will be posted probably tomorrow. So, or maybe tonight. It might be posted tonight or tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. But I didn't want to wash my hair yet because it's not New Year's Eve for me yet. So sorry about the lack of inspiration for hairstyles, but I did want to curl it just to make it look even more better, or even have a, because this is actually what I am wearing for New Year's Eve, I might just do a really high ponytail and just look like, I mean, minus the double chin, obviously, don't even look at the double chin. Yeah, I might do a really nice, sophisticated high ponytail. In fact, that's probably what I will do, because I am wearing this high neck, lacy, sophisticated bodysuit, which I love. So, it is a long video. I am going to do... It is a long video, but it is also a voiceover, so it'll be a lot quicker for you guys to watch, but it took me forever. No, it's not for everyone. It is quite a heavy look, although now I've finished it, I am missing the black eyeliner. I thought I would get away. I mean, you don't have to wear black eyeliner with this look, but for me, I think I needed it. I do think I miss it not sticking the black eyeliner on. So yeah, when I do this again on New Year's Eve, I'll be doing it with black liner. Everything else will remain the same. Might change the lipstick to a brighter nude, not sure yet. I was contemplating on what look to do, because there's a lot. I was going to do a cut crease gold, brown and gold look, but there's quite a lot of those floating around at the moment. I know there's a lot of smoky eyes as well. There's nothing unusual or special about this look, but I've never done this look on myself before, and I was dying to try out the Dose of Colours block eyeshadow, and I love it. So I hope, so yeah, that's it. I need to do my button up. I'm so ghetto. So now I'm gonna take this makeup off before anyone sees it in the house, because I don't want them to see me wearing a look. I'm wishing you guys a great new year. I don't think I'll get any more videos in after. I've got 2 to upload before the new year kicks in. I've got the Christmas vlog, which is a really short one, and then I have this one. So after that, I don't think I'll be getting any more in before New Year's Day. So I wish you a very happy new year, happy 2019. Hope you enjoy my New Year's Eve party look, and I'll be back soon with another video. So I'm starting with the BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio. It's my all-time favourite for doing brows. It's never let me down. I'm not doing too much to them. I'm just basically filling in any sparse areas, and then going in with some concealer on the lid, which I've been blending with my fingers. And then we start with the palette I'm using today, which is the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. I'm still enjoying playing with it, and I didn't use too many colours from the palette. I go in with the lightest shade just as a base first, and then mix the 2 other matte shades in there. I'm sorry I haven't said the shade names in there, but you can clearly see which ones I used. And I'm basically just running that through the crease until I get the desired effect of how deep I want the colour to go. I then go in with some LA Girl gel liner as a base to start off the smoky eye look I'm doing today. I'm just running a thick line on the lid, and then I'm blending it out with a small flat brush. Now I'm going to be spraying a really small flat brush to go in with the darkest black matte in the palette. It has got some sparkle in it, and I'm using that basically to set the gel liner down and to bring the black more higher up into the crease, gradually patting it in there gently, and then I'll be blending that in with a fluffy brush to make it more of a smoked effect. This takes a lot of blending, so bear with me. So here comes the fun part. I'm using Dose of Colours Block Teal Me More eyeshadow as the showstopper of today's look. It's nothing new, nothing extravagant, but I haven't used it before and I just love the colour of it. I think it blends really nice into the black, and I'm just placing that in the centre of the lid and towards the outside as well, and I just love the colour. I then go in with the Morphe Glitter shadow on the outer and inner corner of the eye, just to make it sparkle even more because it's New Year's Eve. Once I've placed it on there, I go in with a flat brush just to blend it out into the Teal Me More colour. I'm now going in with some Nip and Fab Rose Gold Primer Base Elixir. This basically is supposed to be a dupe for the Farsali. I'm sure it's not as good as the Farsali, but I wanted to give it a try. It's got some decent ingredients in there, and I'll talk more about that on another video. So I'm just using that as a base today. And then with the Hourglass Vanish Stick and the Dior Face and Body, I'm combining those two together, just to give the Hourglass will give it extra coverage for me, and the Dior is the shade I want to be, because when you're doing such a heavy eye like this, you don't want your base to be washed out. So I do want a darker looking base for this look today. I'm just blending away with my beauty blender, and the new beauty blender is not as good as my previous beauty blender. Does anyone find that? But it seemed a little bit more gritty. Maybe I have to break it in before I get the desired effect. I'm not sure. Now going in with some Hourglass translucent setting powder. I always like to set the foundation before I continue, just because I don't want any movement while I'm doing the rest of my face. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer first, and then I go in with the Bourjois Radiance concealer just to give me extra brightening underneath the eye. I love using these concealers together. They're great. I just always find myself going back to them. On New Year's Eve, I probably will use the Too Faced Sculpt Multi-Use Concealer, because, you know, we use the best things for the best days. So because it's New Year's Eve, I go in with the cream contour using the Iconic London contour kit, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose, cheekbones, forehead, underneath that double chin, and then get to blending away. For bronzer, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold, just because it's slightly more darker and I want to glow. I want to look quite glowy and dark. And for blusher, I'm using the L'Oreal Life's a Peach Blush. It's a nice apricot colour, definitely gives me a nice flush of colour on the cheeks. I hate doing voiceovers. Now I'm going back in with the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette, using that same black for underneath the lower lash line, and then I'm going in with the Teal Me More in the inner corners, just to basically tie in with what I've done above. I'm also going to tight line in the waterline with the gel eyeliner. Just, I love the effect it gives when doing a smoky eye. I don't think it's complete without that. It can close up some people's. Oh, look what I've just pulled out, the Bobbi Brown highlighter. Wow. I had to stop. I had to interrupt myself. This is one of my favourite new highlighters to play with. It's gorgeous. I'm basically putting that everywhere and then going over with the pink, as it's more of a sheer topper. And both the colours together are just beautiful. I love it. I'm using the Urban Decay Glide On Lip Liner. I think it's in the colour Naked. I can't remember. I'll try and remember to link it. And then I'm using this Lottie London gloss. I love this gloss. I just got it and it's beautiful. I love the texture of it. I'll be doing a review on that very soon. It's nothing exciting, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous gloss to use. And then I go ahead and stick some lashes on in a second. And that does complete today's look. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with another video.